Welcome to our review of the best pickleball paddles. If you're looking for a flashlight for everyday use, camping, or emergencies, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you the top 5 flashlights, from the most budget-friendly to the most powerful. We'll look at how far the light can reach, how tough they are, and what makes each one special. Number 5. Vatic Pro Prism Flash. And if you're on a budget but still want a high-performing paddle, this one is a steal at just $99. It's built with a thermoformed unibody design, which makes it incredibly durable, yet light enough for easy swings. The paddle features a raw carbon fiber face that offers excellent spin potential, especially at this price point. For a budget paddle, you're getting features typically found in more expensive, premium models. The sweet spot on the Prism Flash is forgiving, making it easy to use, whether you're hitting soft shots at the kitchen line or going for a powerful drive. Many beginner and intermediate players have praised this paddle for helping them improve their game without breaking the bank. It has a professional feel, but at a much more affordable price. The balance is solid, it doesn't feel too heavy or flimsy, making it great for long rallies and quick reflex shots. While it might not have the plush feel of paddles over $200, it performs incredibly well. You may not get the same softness or feedback on resets, but what you do get is consistency and reliability, which will help you improve as you play. The textured surface gives you good grip on the ball, and the paddle weighs between 7.8 to 8.1 ounces, so it's easy on your joints. If you're new to the game or need a reliable backup paddle without spending a lot of money, the Prism Flash is one of the best deals out there. Whether you're learning the basics or refining your drive, this paddle will support your game every step of the way. Number 4. Bread and But Filth. And man, what a name, right? But let me tell you, this paddle lives up to the hype. Retailing for around $165, the Filth is the ultimate all-court weapon. Whether you're grinding out long rallies at the baseline or sneaking up to the net for a quick flick volley, this paddle just adapts. It's versatile, and honestly, that's what makes it so fun to play with. You can literally use this in any game situation, singles, doubles, fast-paced, or slow dink battles, and it keeps up without missing a beat. The thermoform construction gives it the perfect blend of pop and control, while the carbon fiber face offers great spin and durability. You can really feel the paddle respond when you go for top spin drives or try to slice the ball for a sneaky cross-court shot. The grip is super comfortable, too. Slightly tacky with just the right amount of cushioning so you're not constantly readjusting midpoint. Plus, it's super easy on the wrist. And the vibe, oh, it's got style. Bread and Butter nailed it with the branding. It's clean, edgy, and stands out on the court. It's the kind of paddle that turns heads and makes people ask, hey, what are you playing with? It's a go-to choice for players who don't want to specialize too much. If you want one paddle that can do a little bit of everything, well, this is the one. Whether you're grinding out rec games or stepping into a tournament, the Filth has your back. And what really sells it is how consistent it is under pressure. You can block a hard drive, reset with a feather-light touch, and then slam a winner, all with the same paddle. That kind of flexibility is rare, especially in a mid-tier price range. So, if you're looking for a paddle that feels just as good in your hands on one as it does in a third-set tiebreaker, the Filth delivers. Number 3. Gearbox Pro Power. This one's not cheap at $275, but if you're all about that aggressive, hard-hitting style, it's worth every penny. Gearbox completely ditched the traditional honeycomb core and went full aerospace style with a solid span carbon fiber build. That means you're getting power, pop, and precision with every single shot. It's engineered for players who thrive on aggressive plays, who want to dictate the pace, and aren't afraid to go for big swings. The feedback from this paddle is immediate and addictive. You know exactly what your shot is doing the moment it leaves the face. What's wild is how stable this thing feels even on off-center hits. It doesn't twist in your hand or lose control. It just powers through. It's like the paddle absorbs the shock and redirects your energy right back into the ball. The spin potential is also ridiculous. So, it's not just a one-trick power pony. The surface grabs the ball like Velcro, giving you insane top spin and cut on your serves and ground strokes. From low skidding slices to heavy top spin lobs, the Gearbox Pro Power opens up your full shot arsenal. It's especially deadly on high balls. If you get one, you better believe it's getting punished. Now, it's definitely not the most forgiving paddle on the market. It's made for players who know what they're doing. There's not much cushioning for errors. So, it's not ideal for casual play or if you're still building consistency, but if you're confident in your swings and want to bring the heat, the Gearbox Pro Power is an absolute game-changer. It rewards confidence and punishes hesitation. Just be ready. This thing bites back. It's not for the faint of heart, but for those who like to dominate the court with speed, strength, and precision. It's a top-tier weapon that's hard to beat. Sliding into the Number 2. CRBN 3X Power Series. And let me tell you, advanced players are going nuts over this paddle. It comes in at around $230. And it's specifically engineered for those who know how to command a court. You're getting a unibody thermoform build here, too, which means excellent power, stability, and durability. The feel of this paddle in your hand is elite. It's solid, responsive, and really gives you confidence to go for those riskier plays. The core is tuned for competitive impact, giving you that pop when you need it without compromising control. What sets the CRBN 3X apart is how clean and connected it feels. You can rip drives, punish high balls, and still have the touch for drop shots and resets. It's fast in the hands and smooth through the air, giving you the edge when speed matters most. The paddle face is super gritty, so if spin is part of your strategy, and it should be, this paddle gives you full control. The textured carbon grabs the ball on contact, so you're able to roll forehands, carve backhands, and pull off tricky serves that dip right over the net. Plus, the shape is slightly elongated, which adds a little reach and leverage to your shots. Especially useful in singles or tight net battles. This one's definitely not for casual players. It's built for speed, power, and finesse, all rolled into one. You're going to feel like the paddle is an extension of your arm, especially when you're in the zone. It offers advanced shot feedback and exceptional directional control, making it easier to place the ball exactly where you want. If you're a tournament player or just someone who wants the edge in a competitive setting, the CRBN 3X is the next-level weapon you've been waiting for. It doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them shot after shot. And finally, Number 1. 6-0 Double Black Diamond Control. We've got the paddle that's basically dominating 2025 right now. The 6 Double Black Diamond Control. Priced at $180, this paddle is the perfect mix of control, power, and touch. It's made with a thermoform carbon fiber frame and a foam-injected perimeter, which gives it a buttery soft feel without sacrificing stability. It's designed to give advanced performance while still being comfortable and accessible to a wide range of players. And that's what really makes it special. The engineering here is top tier, and you feel it from the very first hit. The control on this paddle is just chef's kiss. You can place shots exactly where you want, dink with precision, and still whip out the power when you need to. There's a perfect blend of forgiveness and feedback, so your hand feels locked in on every shot. The surface is raw carbon fiber, which means top-tier spin generation, too. If you're someone who loves to spin your serves, roll your forehands, or slice with finesse, this paddle has your back. Plus, it just looks sleek. Like a paddle James Bond would use if he played pickleball on his day off. Clean lines, stealthy finish, and that bold logo. It's got serious curb appeal. It's popular with pros, high-rec players, and honestly, anyone who picks it up. Whether you're playing at your local club or hitting the championship courts, the Double Black Diamond Control gives you the confidence to hit smarter and play sharper. What's even more impressive is how stable it feels during those fast-paced kitchen exchanges. The paddle doesn't wobble or vibrate on contact. It stays rock solid, which helps you stay consistent even under pressure. If you can only pick one paddle, this is it. It adapts to your style and enhances your strengths. Whether you're a tactical dinker or a power hitter looking for more control,